Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Guys, today we'll see how we can download the PGP key from a banking partner. Like why PGP key is required. PGP key, the full form is like pretty good privacy key. So this key is required to authorize or sign your outbound files when you are sending a payment file from Oracle. So this will be validated or authorized by a unique key from bank side, and that is PGP key. And if you are transmitting file through SFTP protocol, okay, you need to install this key, import this key from specific banking partner and portal, and install it in your system. Usually, like in your transmission configuration. Okay. So, for example, here JPMC is a banking partner, for example, and they are going to send you one PGP key. Like every time to time, every 1 or 2 year, they are going to renew that PGP key, and you have to reinstall this in your system. So let me go to JPMC portal, JPMC key management. Okay. So here, partner key management overview. If you click this, JPMC is going to notify you time to time, like when they are going to change or renew their PGP key, and accordingly, on the specified date, you have to install that key in your transmission configuration. Otherwise, your file will not be transmitted, and it will transmission will be failed. And if you see here, S2H key management and S2H PGP support. Just click on S2H PGP support. So here, every banking partner, like if you have a banking relationship with JP Morgan, they will send a mail to the stakeholders, business stakeholders, that we are going to change the PGP key, and you should download this and install this. So if you can see here, PGP key download instruction. Here you can read the instruction, and this is the test key, and this is the production key. And here they have mentioned from which date this new key will be effective, like September 6, 2025. So before that, old key will be active, and you should not replace this new key with the old key before 6 September. So 6 September 2025, you can download this key and install in Oracle. Where we need to install? If you go to manage transmission configuration and just search the SFTP protocol, file transfer, secure file transfer protocol for static file name. So here, if you have defined your transmission configuration, uh, so here you can see there are a lot of transmission profile has been created. So JPM fund capture outbound, right? JPM fund disbursement inbound. So let me open that. Okay. Usually it should be uh, fund disbursement outbound, right? JPMC fund disbursement outbound. Static file name and create. I think for this protocol, nothing has been created. So you can create this one and provide all your detail, like your SFTP, IP address, port numbers, and here PGP public encryption key. So this is the key where we need to install this JPMC key. Okay. So here, what you can do, you can download this production key. So before downloading and installing, you can also test, like test key is available here. You can download and do one round of testing with JPM COT portal and transmit some test payment file, and then you can go for production key. With this production key, you can install here and PGP public encryption key. Okay. So here you can install this key first. What you can do, you can import this key through file import export, and then once it is imported successfully, here able to see and save in the profile. Here it will be showing in the PGP public encryption key drop down, and you can select and save it. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.